Page 15, The Haunted Mouse. Here we get a combination of staccato and legato and a lot of different things, and this is going to be cool. Let's talk about it. I'm going to start with the right hand. At the beginning, 4/4 time, you got all that. Right hand. You have a C and an E to begin with the 1 and the 3 fingers. Now on this staccato, you can't pluck it. When you have multiple notes like this, you have to use the wrist. You hinge at the wrist, you go down and up. You bounce off the keys. Boom. Try and get them down at the same time. Good luck with that. But second measure, it's not staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second line. Now it's a D and an F. 2 and 4. Staccato. And then not staccato. Yay team. Third line, again, staccato, not staccato. Fourth line, it's legato on the right hand. Let's talk left hand. Boy, we went through that fast, didn't we? The left hand is starting second finger on the A. That puts the left hand here. That's fine. The left hand's not staccato. In fact, you got a whole note tied to another whole note. So you're going to hold that down for 8 counts. Well, won't that be fun? While you patiently wait while the right hand does its thing and the 8 counts is over, and then you can lift up and do the end of the line. Yay team. Second line is the same way. Third line, you're just holding these notes down for a long time. And then in the last line, now you get some fun. Second measure, you have the last note is a B, A, and then that note, it tells you to play the lowest note on the piano. It's a little dangerous, but what they want you to do is play the lowest A you have. Depending on how long your piano keyboard is, if you have a short keyboard, go down to the lowest A, whatever it is, and that's what you play. On a regular 88 key piano like this, the lowest note on the piano is an A, so it's here. See, the last video we did the C at the top, the 18, here. When I used to teach lessons and I had to teach my students, started teaching my students at the very beginning, I would have them say, you can say the alphabet, start at the bottom of the piano and say the alphabet going up. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And when you get to G, start over with A again. A, B, C, and I had them go all the way up and down saying the names of the notes. I don't know that it did any good, but it was fun and they got to use the whole keyboard. So, okay, it was just a teaching technique I learned in college, so that's what I used for fun of it. And that's what we're doing here, is the lowest note. Whatever your lowest A is, that's what you play. Don't just, if the bottom note on your piano is some other note, don't play it. Play the A. That's what we want here. Now once you're pretty sure you got each hand okay, then you put the hands together because you're doing different things. At the beginning, you're starting out with first beat is left hand. You're going to hold it down while you play these. Then lift up on the third measure. The left hand doesn't play yet. Now it does. See, the second line is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And this is funner and funner and funner as we go. Skip the third line, you can do that. Fourth line is this way. Just quarter notes. 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. And the staccato you use down there, if you want to use a wrist on those, you can, or if you want to pluck it. And which finger you use, they're saying third. It's up to you which finger, it doesn't matter. They want it soft, so you're not going to, I mean the last line is loud until the very end is soft. You may have to practice that because when you get down to the lower part, it's harder to get soft. So you may have to try and play really soft to get it to play soft. You make these adjustments. Now in the third line, you're starting the third line out softly. In the last two measures it says grow louder. It means gradually get a little louder, because in the last line we're loud. So we're just going to slowly increase up from soft to loud and plan it out. You don't want to get loud until the last line. Don't get loud too soon, so you just stay. And then that's where you're loud. And so just gradually work it out so you're louder. So I like to try this with you very, very slowly. I'm not going to do the dynamics, just the notes and the rhythms. So we make sure we have the notes and the rhythms correctly. So you're going to put your hands where they go here. It's where they've been in the past. I give us 4 counts. There's no pedal here. Forget the pedal. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3,